You are going to love the 2018 Chevy Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, HID headlights, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.